Hey everyone, Miguel here. Welcome to the channel, my people. Well, guys, it's been almost 2 weeks since I did my last video about Bytnex, guys. But don't worry, guys, going very well. We have been through holidays, New Year, all of that. And guys, still Bytnex here, going stronger. My profits every single day increasing. I'm gonna show you everything because today is my day 502. Imagine, guys. So I'm getting close to being 17 months here with Bytnex, which is really amazing. But guys, you need to watch the video till the end so that you can really get the picture of what's happening and what we have got here with this incredible project Bytnex. Alright guys, it's formerly known as Cryptex. They've changed their domain name, their brands, and going very well, guys. Don't forget down below to give that like, also subscribe my channel if you already enjoyed the video. I have a link for you to join me on the description. Also I have a link to directly to this page, right? This is the registration, the sign, actually this is the sign in, this is the login page, this is the sign up page. Okay, this is the page where you will go if you join under me. All right, you will have here my code, okay, my account number in here. And if you would like to sign up, you only need is an email, a password. Confirm that password. You click on this box that should go to the Bytnex privacy policy and terms, and you register. Make sure to really write down the password, okay, because their support, I think they are better, but it's not their strongest suit. So you need really to write down in a piece of paper so that you don't lose it for any reasons, right? And guys, let's go. First of all, I'm going to show you actually here the last video that I did, not totally true with my journey, but at least that I did with my journey and stating my day. So this was still Cryptex back then in October 3rd, the 3rd. So this was my day 392. So already 3 months ago. All right, guys. If you would like to take a look at this video, I will leave it on the description. But for today, what I'm gonna do is what I've been doing in the last few months, okay, which is to give you a general overview and our profits that we are having with Bytnex. All right, guys, let me just give me here a sec. I need to pause the video to get that screenshot that I just did from my back office. Very well, guys, so this is it, okay? These are my earnings for today. This is January 23rd of 2026, guys. And if you don't know, for those that are following me already know this, but basically here with Bytnex, guys, you spend one time $100, which is an activation fee for a contract that is connected with a DeFi hybrid contract that is connected with the blockchain. It's totally automated, but it's also backed by banks and also by insurance companies. And depending on the different contracts, you receive different loans from the banks, okay? In my case, I started with a 5-year contract, which is the loan is $43,200. This is the same for the 5 years and the 7 years. Okay, so we have now, before we only had the 3-year contract, 5 and 7. Now we have the more appealing, I would say, 2 years, because it's obviously the profits aren't that big, but it's faster, the way that you can get your money back to your wallet. But for the 2 and the 3 years, the loan balance is lower. It's around $30,000, guys. And the beauty of these, guys, is just you only need to spend one time $100, obviously plus some fees. Okay, $1, $2, $3 depending on what's the kind of exchange or wallet you are using. And then, guys, just if you don't want to talk to anybody else, this is all you need, guys. Totally passive income that we can earn with this incredible project that is Bytnex. And as you can see, guys, my earnings for today is $113. This is from this total active balance that that is being staked every single day. Okay, and this stake balance is being compounded every single day to really produce incredible results, guys. What we are paid every single day, the profits generally every single day, it's not that much. It's between usually 0.11% and 0.19. Okay, and guys, in 16 and a half months, more or less, my total profit is 93%. Imagine where you can get 93% of profits in only not even 17 months, guys. This is incredible. The risk is low compared to other projects, guys, that I've been in those crazy ones that pay 5%, 10%, 3%, 4%, and most of them, they crumble in months, most of them. Okay, so some more conservatives, they pay 1%, a little less, have 0.5% or something. They last longer, but guys, most of them, they go away, and you don't see any longer the money that you have put up front to this type of projects. Okay, guys, but my profit, as you can see, is $40,244 in 502 days. Okay, so today is my day 502 here on Bytnex, guys. If you would like to get started, I urge you guys, on the description I have a link to join with me. Okay, we'll go to that page. If you would like to get in touch with me, I have also another link for you to join. We'll go to my email list, and from that email list you can also contact me on Telegram, on Facebook. Obviously, also on the description I have links for my social media. If you'd like to get in touch with me, okay, send me a message. If you need any help getting started, I'm here to help you. Okay, I am just here to try to help and get as many people possible in this incredible project. Okay, guys? Well, if you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, turn on notifications, and guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.